Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hi everyone. Today our topic is introduction to judging and scoring. If the speakers are ready, feel free to get started.
Yes, we are ready. Jaden, you introduce yourself.
Hi.
Hi, what?
Hi, my name is Jaden.
And
And I'm going to show my flowchart right here. Judging the session of flowchart. Teams should demonstrate first our core value in everything they do. Judges will be excited to see how teams use teamwork, discovery, inclusion, innovation, impact, and fun throughout their innovation project and robot design work. Teams may choose to share final thoughts with judges. Judges may ask clarifying questions, who then will provide verbal feedbacks to the team. Team leaves. Judge discuss the team and complete the rubrics together. Judges hand in rubrics once they are complete before next team enters. 10 minutes. Awards. Champions Awards. One winner and up to 3 finalists, depending on tournament size. This award celebrates a team that embodies the first R Lego challenge, experienced by fully embracing the core values with achieving excellence in innovation and robot perfect. Robot Design Award. One winner and up to 3 finalists depending on tournament size. This team uses outstanding programming principles and solid engineering practices to develop a robot that is mechanically sound, durable, efficient, and high capable of performing challenge missions. Core Values Award. One winner and up to 3 finalists depending on tournament size. This team displays extraordinary enthusiasm and spirit, exemplifies teamwork, discovery, inclusion, innovation, impact, and fun, and shows each other and other team respect all the time, at all time. Robot Performance Award. One winner and up to 3 finalists, second, third, and fourth place, depending on our tournament size. This award celebrates a team that scores the most points during the robot match. Teams have a chance to complete in at least 3 2.5-minute matches, and their highest score counts. Innovation Project Award. One winner up to 3 finalists, depending on tournament size. This team utilizes diverse resources for innovation projects to help them gain a comprehensive understanding of their problem. Has a creative, well-researched solution and effectively communicates their finding to judges and the community. Coach and Mentor Award. Up to 6 winners depending on tournament size. Coaches and mentors inspires their team to do their best, both as individuals and together. The award goes to the coach or mentor whose leadership and guidance is clearly evident and best exemplifies the first core value. Questions.
Do you have any question?
Thanks for looking at these slides.
Good job, Jaden. All right. Does anyone have any question for Jaden? All right, if not, we can move on to the next speaker. Who is the next speaker?
Me.
Okay, Jaden Bai. Go ahead,
Alright.
please.
Wait, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, the first level league rubrics provide a comprehensive guide to understand how teams are evaluated during the competition. It breaks down the judging process into 4 core areas, each with specific criteria. The first section is robot design. This section assesses the robot's mechanical design, how well it's built, programmed, the efficiency and clarity of the code, and innovation, unique solutions or approaches. Judges look at robots designs, well-structured code, and creative problem solving. The second part that they judge on is innovation projects. Teams are evaluated on their ability to identify a real-world problem, researching it thoroughly, developing an innovative solution, and sharing their findings with others. The rubric emphasizes the depth of research, the creativity, and the feasibility of the solution, and the impact of their sharing efforts. And then the third one is core values. This area focuses on how well the teams embodies the FLL core values: discovery, innovation, impact, inclusion, teamwork, and fun. The judges observe team dynamic, collaboration, and how they handle challenges. Look for evidence of gracious professionalism and cooperation. Teamwork. We are stronger when we work together. Fun. We enjoy and celebrate what we do. Inclusion. We respect each other and embrace our differences. Discovery. We explore new skills and ideas. Innovation. We use creativity and precision to solve problems. Impact. We apply what we learn to improve our world. Robot game. While the robot game performance is scored, the rubric for this section focuses on the team's strategy and consistency. Judges assess the team's approach to the mission selection, their ability to adapt, and the reliability of robots performance. And then there are also rating levels that the judges rate on: beginning, developing, accomplishment, and exceeds. This is like a website that works, that shows that. These are the 4 levels on what to do. Core values. The instructions. Core values would be the lens through which you watch the team's presentation. All members should be demonstrating the core values in everything they do. The rubric should be used. So this is the rubric for everything. There's beginning, minimal examples observed across the team. Some examples observes across the team. Multiple examples observed across the team. Exceeds. Yeah, this is everything on how they select their points, all the judges. Does anyone have any questions? Oh shit, sorry, I forgot something. And then this is an innovation project. This is how they rate on this thing. They have beginning, development, accomplishment, exceeds. Identify teams teams that had a clear defined problem that it was well researched. Problem not clearly defined gives you a beginning level, a rating 1, and then minimal research gives you a rating 1. Minimal idea generation across the team, another 1, and then minimal planning with some team members excluded. Minimal discovery of innovation, and then so on. And then obviously we want to get to exceeds, which is the highest rating, which is it's like you do everything perfectly and you execute it perfectly with teamwork and also having fun. And then robot design, it's rated on your mission strategy, the way your team members building and coding skills, your evidence of an effective work plan, minimal explanation for robot code and features, limited functions of robot attachments, explanation of how the code makes the robot act, minimal evidence of testing the robot and code, and evidence the robot and code was improved, unclear. Explanations of robot design process, clear evidence that that all of the members were involved. And that's everything. Does anyone have any questions?
Excellent. Sounds like it's a very comprehensive list of rubrics we can follow during our training and practice. Thanks for sharing. Anyone has any questions? Okay, if not, I think we have a good amount of submissions for the team name and the robot name. It's exciting to see, we come up with very creative ideas, how to, help us to stand out by, giving ourselves a cool name. I don't know if Yun Cai is on the call or anyone who have access to the submission list.
Hello.
Yeah, hey.
Hey, David, I think Audrey needs to present scorecard.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you, Audrey. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Let's share the screen. Is it right? What is that?
Okay. So this is the scoring calculator. So basically it's how the missions would be scored based
I'm
off
sorry, sorry to interrupt you. Are you trying to share your screen? Because it's not loading.
Oh, we're not?
which one? Oh,
No?
it says you need to open system settings
Oh,
to share.
sure.
Yeah, you probably need to enable it. Just follow the prompts. You should be able to do it because I granted everyone with the sharing access. Yeah, I think it just go to, are you on PC or Mac?
Yeah, on Mac.
Okay, if you're on Mac, it should prompt you to go to settings. You find Zoom, check it on, and then you probably need to unlock to change the setting. Once you're done, you probably need to restart your Zoom.
Oh,
Yeah, those are the steps I did on my Mac.
okay.
Feel free to give a try and let us know what you see on your screen.
We will leave and come back.
Yeah, you will probably need to leave and come back.
Okay.
That's normal.
How do you go to that? 把那变小一点，
How?
把那个 browser 弄小一点，
How do I make it smaller?
那个弄小一点再选好了再。Okay.
So
Okay. Can you all see the screen? Our screen?
Yes, we do.
okay,
Go ahead.
this is the scoring calculator, and this is like what how many points you would get, like the score you would get for how well you complete each challenge. So for example, on the choral nursery, if you like did everything that it asked you, it would be a score of 50. And like for the shark, if you only did like this one and not this one, then it would be 70. And so like there's different requirements that you would have to do it to get different amounts of points.
To try the third one.
For the third one,
Yeah.
there's like the number ones. So that's like the number of pieces for that you did correctly. And that would be your score. So that's like the 3 kinds of scoring that like would be done. And then the precision tokens is how like small of errors you can make, and the more you have left over at the end of your round, the better.
Okay, try click 6. Let's see how that changes the score.
If you did 6,
Yeah.
then you would have 150.
Oh, that's a 50, right? That's a
Yeah.
that's a change, big change.
Is
Okay.
150 the maximum score you can get as a team?
No,
maximum
we only tried
score.
a few missions.
If you
Yeah.
did the max,
Oh, okay. If you select all, it will be way more. Yeah.
Let's see what is the maximum score you could get.
okay, and then the maximum score you can get is 600.
Go up, scroll up. I think there's another
Oh,
one.
wait.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, no, it's 620.
20. Okay.
And this one is like if your robot is in the fits in the launch area and it's under 12 inches.
Yeah, that's worth 20. Okay, let's see. Okay, now actually you can choose this one, exceeds. I think that's the maximum score.
No.
Oh, it's still 620. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that's how the scoring works.
So you have 15 missions, precision token, maximum of 6, and professionalism.
Yeah.
Is there any
The
questions?
total score is 620. Yeah, any questions from the team? Yeah, we'll need to see how many missions we have. I don't know if Feifei, are you on the call? Can you share? Does every challenge every year have the same number of missions, or it could be different?
Then it's 15 missions, I think.
Yeah,
Every
15.
It's always 15 missions
I'm
every
pretty
year.
sure it's. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's 15.
Okay. And
then-
also, yeah,
Hold on.
yeah. One thing you may notice is the different mission with different score, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, and how well you complete each mission.
Mhm.
Okay, very cool. Thank you, Audrey. This is very well presented, and everyone should have access to the rubrics online, right? Is there a link you can share with us?
Dave,
Yeah, there is.
there's a link, right?
Yeah, there's like.
Okay. Yeah, we will share the link later, maybe.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, so we can all take a look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it will be useful once we started building the robots and use it as like test evaluation for ourselves. Thank you, Audrey. Great job. And now we can move on to the next topic. We can take a look at all the team name and the robotic name submissions. I don't know if Audrey, you have access to the spreadsheet. You can share your screen, or somebody on your team or on your group can share. Please feel free to go ahead whenever you're ready.
God.
Okay, let's share the, wait, where is that? I don't see it.
Just Google Chrome.
Oh, okay. Oh, here you go. I think that's it. Right. Okay. Okay.
Is that just. Huh.
David, can you see?
Yeah, I think we can all see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's ask, does anyone submit any new entries yesterday? Because this was collected a few days prior. So if your entry is not on the screen, please call out and we can help you to add it here. No? Okay, so we can just take a look at these 4 entries and then have a discussion about it. You don't have to identify yourself because it's gonna be anonymous survey or anonymous poll. But if you want to explain your submission, feel free to raise your hand or just unmute yourself and give yourself some some help by explaining your proposal. All right. With that, I'll pass it over to Audrey. Feel free to just walk the team through all the submissions first.
So the first one is the Sigma team, and it says the most important for our team is impact, and it's because Sigma is a term that means very cool. Your the proposed team name Reflect is fun. The robot name is BB Bot because it is fun to say. The second one is the Mighty Miners. The most important for a team for the Mighty Miners is fun, and miners are the ones that discover and discover innovation.
That's showing the whole thing. So read this.
Oh, that because this season is called On Earth, and miners are the ones that discover and explore the Earth. The proposed team name to reflect is innovation. The name is miner, and yeah, the soul miner.
Yeah, maybe
And this name is suitable for the robot.
Expanded.
This name is suitable for the robot. Because because the team name is Mighty Miners. The third one is Dynamite Robosaurs, and the most following, like the most important value for this one is teamwork, and because this name fits the unearthed theme and combines fun and discovery. The following the values that the team name reflects is fun. The robot name is Dinobot, and it is suitable for our robot because the name is fun and connects to our theme. The fourth name is the Mummy, and it's important about teamwork because fun. Which of the following values that the team like reflects is fun. The robot name is Ramses the second, and this name is suitable for the robot because he was the greatest pharaoh and will do great in competition.
Very cool. Does anyone have any comments on what Audrey shared just now for any of these team names and robots names? Okay, if not, let's see if I can start a poll. Somehow I don't have access to the pool app. Let's see. Audrey, do you have access to the pool app or anyone?
I think I can make a poll.
You know how to do it?
I don't really know how to do the poll.
Can we try whiteboard and maybe everyone can write on it?
Yeah, that's weird. Because I used to have access to the pool app on the more, but now I click on more, it does not show up for some reason.
Everyone can type in the chat what's their preferred team name and the robot name.
Yeah, I guess if everyone,
There's the names.
yeah. Does everyone wants to do that? Just type your team name and the robot name. So I don't know if we can share the screen. Yeah, just keep it on the screen. And then everyone can take maybe a minute to submit their entry. Just do team name, then comma robot name. And then we'll do a tally to count the submissions, all the votes.
Hey, David, the question.
Can we choose like a team name and a different robot name?
Yes, I think so. So you have four each to choose from. Just choose one name.
How do we, where do we vote?
Just type it in the chat.
Yeah. Let's ask the team here. Do you want to be anonymous or you want to be non-anonymous? Anonymous means when you vote, people don't see your name. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to do anonymous, let me try to activate an app. I just need to sign it up. Maybe I can try join Zoom again because I do have the access to the pool feature. I use it in the Scratch class, but somehow it disappeared. Maybe I didn't configure it correctly. So I need to do it again. Just give me a few minutes. Jackie, you have a suggestion?
Are we supposed to vote from these 4?
Yes, you have 4 team names and 4 robot names.
Is it okay if you don't vote?
Yeah, it's up to you. You know, if no voting is voting, you just give up your vote.
Okay, then.
Yeah, we encourage everyone to participate, but if you don't want to vote, that's okay. Give me a second. I just installed an app. Okay, let me exit and I will join back again, okay? Okay, Ethan can create a poll. Ethan, can you confirm? Okay, everyone, can you hear me okay? Can you mute the other computer? Hello?
Yes,
I can
yeah,
hear
I
you.
hear you.
Oh, you can hear me? Okay. Somehow, Ethan and myself log into different computer using the same email, which is my paid account, and it messed up the system. Apologize for the inconvenience. Now I do see the pool on Ethan's computer. So let's see. Manage. What's going on? I don't know why this feature is. Sorry, there's still some technical issue. This is a pro account, but why I cannot access this pool? Skip to main content. Huh? Yeah. There's a challenge here. I see the pool option, but I cannot create a pool for some reason. Oh, you can do it? Okay, maybe we should exit your meeting. Yeah. Don't do anything. Don't do anything for now. Okay, so I'll move to. Okay, let me create a pool here. Now I can create a pool. Thank you for your patience, guys. Okay, Audrey, do you mind sharing your screen again? I need to take the entries from your spreadsheet. Okay, so let's see. Create a pool. Your favorite team name. First one. Okay, I'm still typing the team name. Just bear with me for a second. The Sigma team, my team minus Dynamite Robosaurus. Lami. Okay, required. Add a question. Your favorite robot name. And they are Bot. The Soul Miner. Dinobot. The last one being RAM SSES 2. Okay, required. Don't need this extra question. What can I delete? Delete question. Delete question. Okay, let me just double check. Your favorite team robot names. Your favorite team name, 1, 2, 3, 4. Favorite robot name, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see. Okay, good. Now we got a poll. I'm gonna launch it, and everyone, you should be able to see on your screen. Okay, you can go ahead now. For the first question, the third choice, there's a typo choice. The choice is not part of the team name, just for your information. So ignore that choice in the third option of the first question. Once you are done voting, please type 1 in the chat.
What in the chat?
Yeah, just type 1 in the chat so I know you are done voting. Yeah, thank you. So we have 8 people. I want to see 8 at once. You can still change your choice before the vote ends. Okay, so I think everyone have voted because I'm the host. I cannot vote. So we have 7 out of 7 participated. Do you want to see the answer? Are you ready? Drum roll. All right. We don't have a tie, so we'll get the answer, the favorite vote for each name. All right. So here you go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, our favorite team name is Dynamite Robosaurus, which got 4 out of 7 total votes. Congratulations. Now we are the team of Dynamite Robosaurus. What a cool name. I love it. Our favorite robot name is Dinobot, which got 3 out of 7 votes. That's a very cool name as well. Congratulations. All right. We got our team name and the robot name. Going forward, we'll be calling our team Dynamite Robosaurus and our robot Dinobot. There's lots of dino and bot in it. All right, everyone's happy? I love all the names. Thank you for the submission. But unfortunately, we can only have 1 name for each team and each robot. So glad we finally narrowed down to the one with the most votes. There's a decision process. You know, our team will probably be using down the road when we work together, right? We ask everyone for your input, everyone share your opinion, and then we'll come with a decision with the majority vote for the most part, if possible. But don't feel disappointed if your submission didn't get enough votes. You know, every idea counts. Don't ever shy away from sharing your creative idea. Now I see some of the cool emojis flowing through the chat, which means Jaden, you probably submitted one of the entries, right? I don't know. I actually don't know who submitted the winning vote, but congratulations if you are the person. Cool. Does anyone have any comments or questions, suggestions before we break? Okay. I do want to say I apologize for the technical glitch. Next time I will try to prepare ahead of time so that we can save time for the discussion instead of troubleshooting the technical issue. And also, I want to thank everyone who have presented today and those who have participated in this, pool session. Today is Saturday. Our next meeting will be Tuesday, and we will be continuing discussion around coding and robot design, starting with what we call technical resource discussion. And then next week we'll have a kickoff on some of the robotic activities. That is how to build a robot, how to control the robot through word block programming, our coaches, mentors, and our team members will take turns to host the sessions to give each other trainings and tutorials. We'll be going through these training camps, right? We have Charles and Fei Fei and myself to present a series of training camps to all of you to get started with the robotic activities. So stay tuned for the upcoming week. All right, so we'll have lots of fun, lots of time for everyone to get hands-on building and testing robots. We expect everyone to finish the testing by yourself, right, while in collaboration with others as well, to really gain some individual experience before we regroup as a team to build something more sophisticated. Okay, so that will be the next week's plan. And before we break, I do want to see, I really appreciate the participation from everyone, from, presentation and sharing, submitting your ideas for our team robot names. At the same time, we also see lots of interactions in the Zoom chat, right? While we really welcome all these cool emojis to flow through our, Zoom sessions, I do want to ask everyone, do you think, you want to share emoji while others are talking? Maybe you want to give that a second thought, right? Because if you share lots of cool emojis while your teammates are talking, and people may be drawn attention to looking at your emoji and not paying attention to the speaker's speech, right? So that may not be what we wanted. Yeah. So going forward, I want to make sure we can work together as a team, right? Show respect to each other, and this is very important for our team to be successful. In order to do that, each one of us need to do our due diligence to make sure we are working towards our team values we discussed in the initial of this competition. All right. So no issue. Once we are done, feel free to share your emoji or even type something in the chat to have some fun. But while others are talking, try to keep the conversation in focus, right? You can ask a question, but not to share like emojis too excessively. All right, I think I have shared more than enough. No worries, great job, everyone. Just keep in mind, we will start to get into the competition mode. I will keep reminding everyone of what we are supposed to do as a team, and we'll keep each other in check as well. All right? Good. Alrighty. With that, we can give some time back to each one of you. Happy weekend, and I will see you next week.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye bye. Sorry.